Morning, Sheila Dixon here, President of the Irish Nurses and Midwives Organisation. I'm here this morning opening the Occupational and Health Nurses Conference here in Kilkenny. I have to say I was surprised at the huge turnout considering how difficult it is for people to get replaced, and that, so it was great to see so many occupational and health nurses here in such large numbers. And I have to say the range of speakers probably contributed to that. This is a very active section, and I think along with other sections can learn from this, and I think that there's an awful lot that can be achieved by getting together, not only in networking but listening from other occupations as well. We had a physiotherapist, we had legal opinion, so I think that there's a great range of speakers, and that does help, I think, to get together. There is strength in unity, and even in these difficult and challenging times we are now facing a new direction with a new government, a new Minister for Health, and I think we have a prime opportunity to actually be involved in the changes that are coming down the line. And I think it's time for nurses and midwives to get up and stand and be counted, and I think you can do that by joining the INMO and by getting involved in your section. And to find out more, you can just contact the office if you're not sure of what section you need to be involved in. I think one of the highlights for me so far has been the huge turnout by our student population as regards to the threat for their fourth year roster placement monies, and I think they have shown really what can be achieved. They came out very vibrant, so I think that the profession is safe in their hands. We have very good calibre, I said, nurses and midwives for the future, and I think now is the time to protect the terms and conditions that we fought so hard for those, and I think that they will be a credit, but we need to make sure that there is jobs for them when they are qualified, and you can ensure that by getting involved in your union, the union of choice for nurses and midwives in this country. I think one of the highlights of the conference really is that looking at people who are the unsung heroes of the organisation. One of those is Eileen, who happens to be chairperson of the Occupational and Health Nurse section, and she's just been recently appointed as treasurer of the Federation of Occupational and Health Nurses in the European Union, and this is such a great honour for Eileen. It's a 3-year term, and we wish her all the best, and it's only one of those unsung heroes that works very hard in their own time for the organisation and for the betterment of nurses and midwives, particularly occupational and health nurses.